February 17th,
which is today.
This is our special dance move called the Groovy. No,
I'm just kidding.
Groovy Loovy Banoovy. You get it,
right? You get it, right?
It's called the Groovy. It's too long for me to say.
Yeah.
Anyways, our dance contest is January 17th, which is today, like we told you.
And it ends on
February 15th.
I thought it was 14th.
No, it's 15th.
Whatever.
Okay, let's not do that.
Okay.
Anyways, send in your greatest videos like you did for the Fred Voices.
Except this time it's
Dancing.
Any kind of dancing is acceptable, as long as it totally rocks.
Yeah, any video.
So send in all your different kinds of,
And we will pick 3 winners.
just like the Fred Voices.
Yeah.
So send in your wiggly worm.
Or the robotic mess up.
Or the little bunny hop hop.
Or the shopping cart.
Or the microwave.
You get it. Any kind of move is okay for us.
As long as it is awesome.
Everything's okay for us.
Okay, well, so
We'll see you next time. We don't know what that's.